Welcome to our channel. Today we how to use ClickUp for productivity management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by opening ClickUp on your device. Create a new account or log in with your existing credentials. Familiarize yourself with the ClickUp interface. Explore the sidebar to understand the layout and features. Navigate to the Spaces section to create a new workspace. Click on the plus new space button. Name your space according to your team's or project's focus. Select a color for your space to enhance visibility. Customize your space settings based on your needs. After setting up your space, move on to creating a folder. Click on the plus new folder button within your chosen space. Name your folder to represent a specific project or category. Within the folder, create a list to organize tasks. Click on the plus new list button and give it a descriptive title. Now, you can start adding tasks to your list. Select the plus new task button to create a task. Input a title, description, and due date for each task. Utilize the priority settings to rank your tasks by importance. Assign tasks to team members for clear accountability. Set up custom fields if your project requires additional information. Use the comments section within each task to communicate updates. Link related tasks using the dependencies feature for better task management. For a clear overview, toggle the view settings to switch between list, board, or calendar views. Utilize the dashboards feature to track project progress visually. Create widgets to display key performance indicators relevant to your goals. Set reminders for upcoming deadlines to ensure nothing gets missed. Regularly check the notifications area for updates and task changes. Reassess and adjust your tasks and priorities regularly to maintain productivity. Leverage the reports feature to analyze performance metrics over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.